What I want to do today is connect our Twitter and Discord apps so that whenever a specific user tweets on Twitter, it'll automatically be posted onto our selected Discord channel. Zapier is a no-code tool making it easier for anyone to automate workflows across 5,000 plus apps. If you don't have an account, there's a link in the description for a free 2-week trial so you can try it. Risk-free. Let's dive in. In order to get started with this workflow, I'll need to create a Zap by clicking the button on the left-hand side of the screen. Because I want a specific user's tweet to trigger a message in Discord, I'll need to use Twitter as my trigger. I can find the app by typing it into the search bar and clicking below. The trigger screen will then pop up. I should click User Tweet as my event and then click Continue. Setting this as a trigger means that anytime Twitter sees a new uploaded tweet from our chosen user, it's going to run this workflow. The first time we set up a trigger, we'll need to authenticate it with Zapier. A link will pop up for you to log into your Twitter account. Don't worry, it's totally safe because Zapier uses bank-level encryption. I'll put a link to Zapier's security and trust page in the description as well. In order to finish setting up this trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. We should pick the username of the person's tweet that we want to show up in the Discord before we test this trigger. I want everyone in my Discord channel to see whenever Zapier sends a tweet, so I'll type that into the username bar before clicking Continue and then pressing Test Trigger. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue and we can start creating our action. Type in Discord into the search bar and select it on the drop-down menu. Next, click Send Channel Message and click Continue. From there, I can select our account and authenticate Discord with Zapier, just like I did with my Twitter account. Click Continue, and it's time to assign our Trigger Apps data into the Action Apps field. First, pick the Discord channel you want your Instagram post to be uploaded to. I'm going to put mine in the channel labeled General. Next, under the message text, I'm going to put a custom message. I'll click Username from the drop-down menu, then type, "Just posted a tweet. Check it out." Then, I'll click Text under the drop-down menu. I don't want to ping anyone in Discord when a post appears, so I'm going to click False under the ping username role and everyone mentions. And I also don't want text-to-speech enabled, so I'll click False. Lastly, I'm going to name my bot TweetBot. Then click Continue. Next, click Test and Review, and I should be all set. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, anytime a tweet is posted from whichever Twitter account we have selected, a channel message will be sent out in Discord. I hope this was a helpful demo. Zapier can do so much more with these two apps and thousands of others. Check Zapier out. There's a free trial. Click the link in the description.